Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers. Today I got a super clean one for you guys. I got a 2019 MPG Ultra-Lite model 2650RL, 2650RL. This is by Cruiser RV. List that out over in the front over here. We've got 2 propane tanks. We've got an electric tongue jack, auxiliary battery. We've got LED lighting in the front over here, guys. We've got diamond plate. Vinyl graphics are in very good condition, guys. We got a full pass-through storage over here. I don't believe the hitch goes with it. I think that's my transporters. Awning is in excellent condition. No rips, no tears, nothing like that, guys. Outdoor speakers, double door entry. This is a true 4-season camper, guys. Extended season RVing. It says forced ducted heat into underbelly. It's a fully enclosed underbelly, guy, that keeps you cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter. So you've got a spare tire and carrier. This is a 30 amp unit. Slide out over here. We'll get inside in just a second. As you can see, the paint and body, guys, excellent condition. Pull up to any campsite. This 2019 looks like a 26 model. Let's go ahead and go back around and get inside. And over here at CGM Auto Brokers, we do have plenty more. We got another overflow lot with about 60 other units, guys. So if this is not the one that you're looking for, give us a call. I've got something for you, I promise. All different types of floor plans. All right, so let's walk inside. Air condition is ice cold, guys. As soon as we walk in to our left, we got 2 brand new Thomas Paine recliners over here with storage up top. We've got a power roof vent over here, and we've got a super slide that has our dinette as well as sofa. Now the sofa also turns into a sleeper as well. We've got LED lighting in the slide out as well. Plenty of windows to let in natural light as well. See, the flooring is in excellent condition. No leaks, no soft spots, and a clean title, guys. As you can see, the dinette is boot-style dinette. This lets down into a sleeper as well. Plenty of storage here with your entertainment center, flat-screen television, refrigerator, and freezer. This is a dual unit, so it works off electricity or propane. We've got a 3-burner stove with an oven, stainless steel microwave, and hood with more storage. I love the large stainless steel sink, guys, the large single bin sink. Plenty of counter space over here, guys, and plenty of storage above and below. So let's move into the back. We've got a double entry for your bathroom, which goes into your private bedroom. It's a commode, a glass enclosed shower, and another vanity and sink right here with, you guessed it, more storage. Another power roof vent as well. So here's our second entrance right here. It goes into your private bedroom. I think this is a king. This looks like a king-size bed over here. There's storage underneath the bed, storage all the way around as well, and another power roof vent over here as well. Auxiliary ports over here, guys, for more power to charge your phones and stuff like that. So guys, if you are interested in this unit, it is super clean until I have to mop it again from my dirty shoe prints. But other than that, this is a super clean camper, guys. It needs absolutely nothing. Just get in it and go. My name is Chris. We are CGM Auto Brokers, and I can be reached at 704-620-8388. 704-620-8388. We are located at 4708 West Highway 74 in Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. Guys, we could help you with financing as well. So ask any questions about that as well. Also, guys, we could be reached on the web, www.cgmautobrokers.com. So give us a call, come by, leave a comment or a text. Guys, if you like these videos, please like, please subscribe, guys. It helps us with the algorithm. If you know anybody that's looking for a camper, forward this video to them, guys. Most importantly, if you guys remember anything, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.